Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and switch your Instagram account to a creator account in just a few simple steps. If you want more control over your content, insights, and messages, this is for you. Let's get started. Tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top. Now scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Now tap on Switch to Professional Account, then move on to the next step. Select your category from the suggested options and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Now tap on Creator, move on to the next, and tap on Continue. Found, and that's it. You've successfully switched to a creator account on Instagram, and now you can access your creator dashboard. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.